Hello, my name is Garfield St.Hilaire, and this is my assignment 5 for AEP 867. My course was a soft skill customer service development course. This course was broken down into 3 modules. Each module had a group of assessment questions following each module and an accompanying discussion board where students would answer additional questions for each module. Module 1 was servicing the customer, 5 critical skills needed to maintain a customer-focused approach. Module 2 was building customer loyalty through effective listening. And Module 3 was dealing with difficult situations and customers. And each module had its own set of module objectives. So as far as the questions are concerned, do the task yield appropriate evidence of the identified understandings? I do believe so. The assessment questions that followed each module was a review and gave an opportunity for the students to demonstrate the learning and understanding for each module, and an 80% or higher was required to pass the assessment and essentially pass the module. Did the task involve a complex real-world authentic application of the identified knowledge, skill, and understandings? Yes, it did. I did provide a series of call scenarios and real-world scenarios where students would get an understanding of how to handle different call scenarios and different customer scenarios. In which case, some customers would be a passive customer, others would be an active customer, some customers would be extremely difficult. So students had an opportunity to see each potential situation that they might experience with different customers and how to best handle those customer relations. Are a variety of appropriate assessment formats used to provide additional evidence of learning? I did provide a series of true and false and multiple choice questions. I do feel I needed to add more of a variety, maybe some drag and drop, maybe some mock call scenarios where students would have to type an answer and see if that answer would correlate with the correct answer or incorrect answer. So I did provide somewhat of a variety, but due to lack of time and budget, actually, I wasn't able to provide as much variety as I would like. Are students given the opportunity to self-assess and reflect upon their learning and performance? After each module, there is a discussion board where students not only answered additional questions to complete that module, but also was able to provide feedback on the module itself and how they thought they were progressing. As far as what I would change, given an opportunity, there were a few things I would change. One of them being more of a variety in the assessment questions. And additionally, maybe an opportunity to record live talent. I did use a computer, the computer software to record the audio. Actually, I'll let you guys hear an example.
With difficult situations, we need to identify the learning objectives so that we have a clear understanding of what you can expect to cover in this course. We will identify 3 different types of difficult customers and learn how to choose one method or another for the best way.
So, I'm not sure how that came out with my computer speakers or not, but essentially sometimes the computer voice can be somewhat disjointed and leaving the learner a little bit disconnected. So I do prefer to record live talent. But again, due to lack of time and budget, we just had to go with computer voice. So that's another thing that would change. But that's just all aesthetics. But I do think it does make a difference. All right, guys, thank you. And this was my assignment 5.